Are you stuck scrolling on your phone when you should be studying? Procrastination is a sneaky thief during exams. But today, I'll show you practical ways to fight it, including the famous 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method by Mel Robbins. Let's go. Procrastination is when we delay studying, even though we know we should. We say, "I'll start later," but later becomes never. The first step is to catch yourself and say, "No more excuses." Here's Mel Robbins' method. The moment you think about studying, count down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Open the book, pick up the pen, sit at the desk. Don't wait for motivation. Action comes first, motivation follows. Looking at your whole syllabus feels impossible, like climbing a mountain. So break it into pebbles. Instead of study science, say, revise photosynthesis for 20 minutes. Small tasks feel doable and give you momentum. Tell yourself, "I'll just study for 2 minutes. Read one paragraph, solve one question." Most times, once you start, you'll keep going. Want a weird but powerful hack? Put on your shoes before studying. Your brain thinks, it's action time. You can also wear a hoodie or cap only when studying. It becomes your study signal. Never study on your bed. Beds are for sleep, not study. Sit at a desk with a straight back. Your body tells your brain, it's time to focus. Don't make giant lists. Write just 3 important tasks for the day. Example: 1. Solve 10 math problems. 2. Revise chemistry formulas. 3. Summarize history notes. Finish them, and you'll feel like a winner. Set an alarm for study start time. When it rings, don't debate. Treat it like a school bell. You sit and start. Your brain loves rewards. Promise yourself, after 30 minutes of study, I'll eat a snack, or watch 10 minutes of YouTube. Studying starts feeling good instead of scary. Tell a friend or parent your study goal. Example: today I'll finish my history chapter. When others know, you're more likely to do it. To beat procrastination, use 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to start. Study in short bursts. Sit at a desk, not bed. Make small to-do lists. Reward yourself. Remember, action comes first, motivation follows. If you found these tips helpful, hit the subscribe button and join us for more exam success videos. Let's fight procrastination together.